So I see myself, a mother's only daughter in the red of the earth. Tell the blue jays, come inside. You love to watch them now, so do I. Little specks of us. In my mind I can see you, but sometimes I can't look, and it only gets harder, 'cause I only love you more when I'm looking for home. And it's right across the pond, when the sun's starting to fall, and my feet are getting cold. I know. So I feel like this. We both feel so much, I know it, from the years I've watched you live. But the sunrise always came, and it sometimes made you happy. And if I was afraid, you told me not to be.